Unlock the power of automation for your school community by seamlessly integrating it with Zapier. First things first, let's get you logged into your school account. Once you're in, navigate to your community's settings by clicking on the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner. Within the settings, look for the API key option. This is your unique key that will allow Zapier to communicate with your school account. Click the button to reveal or generate your API key. Now head over to Zapier if you don't have an account. Signing up is quick and easy once logged in. Click on the prominent Create Zap button to start building your automation. In the Zap editor, you'll first set up your trigger. This is the event that starts your automation. Click on Choose App and search for Skool. Select Skool as your trigger app. Zapier will then present you with a list of available trigger events. For example, you might choose New Member Joined to automate your onboarding process. Next, you'll need to connect your school account to Zapier. Click on Sign In, and you'll be prompted to enter your school API key and your community's URL. Paste your copied API key here and your school community address. Once your school account is successfully connected, you can choose your next step, the action that will happen after your trigger event. Click Choose App. Again, to select the application you want to send data to or interact with. This could be anything: sending a notification to Slack, adding a new member to a Google Sheet, or even sending a welcome email via Gmail. For this example, let's choose Slack. With Slack selected, you can then choose the action event, like Send Channel Message. This means when a new member joins your school community, a message will automatically be sent to a designated Slack channel. Now, you'll customize the action. You'll map the data from your school trigger, like the member's name and email, to the fields in your Slack message. You can even write custom text to make your notification more personal. Then, test your action. Once you've set up your trigger and action and tested them to ensure they're working correctly, it's time to activate your automation. Click the Turn on Zap button, and your workflow is now live. By linking Zapier to Skool, you've just streamlined your community management, improving both member experience and your administrative efficiency. Happy automating.